Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LENOVO Tab P12. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Then wherever you want to in all the other pop-ups. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point it at the code. If you prefer to input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And tap on Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!